Yeah, so we're pulling up on TJ right now. He's working on the GTI, so we're gonna see what's up with him. It's raining a little bit, but he's got it under the deck. So we're here with TJ. Like I said, he's got the GTI. He's got it under the deck because it's raining.
It's raining today, you know what I mean? But yo, I'm not sitting outside fucking working in the rain, bro. I can pull it under my crib and work on it. But
Exactly.
basically, what I was doing before Matt got here was basically our cars haven't been running to the fullest in the past 7-6 weeks, literally. His hasn't even been running. He's just got his back, but now it's running good because, you know what I'm
Just
saying?
did the master cylinder now.
Yep, shifts good, shifts in every gear like it should, you know what I mean? But this, what we're doing, I had to take some stuff apart because I did a two-step, as you guys probably see in my Instagram and all that. You'll see in a video really soon, but
Yeah, coming soon.
Yeah, coming soon. I two-stepped in like 4 times, and all of a sudden, like, I don't know what happened. I guess that the fucking, it could have been, it blew out a spark plug, it could have blew out a coil pack, or it could have been a fucking injector for all I know. But I know the injectors are pretty bad, and they're not leaking. But I think the one is like kind of going really, like, it's starting to leak. But you can tell because you can hear the lifter, not the lifter tick, but you can hear the injector ticking when you start. It's like, so I'm trying to like diagnose it at the moment. But I just did a coil pack, spark plug. I did a new pressure fuel regulator. I just put the fuel pump in. If you want to come around back, this is the old fuel pump right here. As you know, this is the OEM one. And all GTI guys, if you guys want to know if it's an OEM fuel pump, I looked it up. All you got to do is, if you look right here, if you want to zoom in on that.
Yeah.
You see that right there? That says 1J0. If you have that in the beginning of your fuel pump, that means it's OEM in stock. So if you got 200,000 miles and you see that on your fuel pump, you might want to switch it because it could be old as shit. Like this piece of shit. Like you see right, oh, there's zoom in how it's coming out. This was filled, right? But there's something wrong with it. It keeps leaking. And I don't know if it's overfilled or it's supposed to be like, you know what I mean? I don't know if it's supposed to be filled or it's supposed to be empty.
Word. So
that's why I just switched it and it looks crusty. You guys can see on the fucking outside all this dust and shit. But I'll show you guys where I put the new one at. So as we pull this open, take this up. You guys can see, Matt will get in here. Ooh, fuel pump.
Yep.
Just lift that thing up in there. It's under the black thing, but if you guys are looking for where it is, it's under the back seat.
Under back seat. It's usually where it is in most cars.
Yeah, most of G's and GTIs. Some are fucking a pain in the ass. You gotta fucking come all the way under the fucking car and the subframe and do it.
Hell yeah.
Luckily, this wasn't like that.
But y'all see it, man. He's putting in work, doing the work.
Fuse box open because some dumbass like had this fuse box and it's got like a fucking wire connected to it. You know what I'm saying? TJ don't know what the fuck that shit is, nigga. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck is that, man? I just bought it, yo. Like, I don't know nothing about shit, yo. I just work on it. I think it's right. Yeah!
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We back, though, you know what I'm saying?
Back.
I'm going to start it for you guys in a second. I'm just going to try one thing. I'm going to try to take this intake off because... Yes! But we'll take it off right now. We're going to see what this goes. There we go.
So, yeah.
We got a flathead going in here. You know what I'm saying? Guys, got some good footage for you guys right now. You know what I'm saying? Got some engine bay footage, some mechanical footage.
He's going to start it real quick for you guys. He just wants to see if the air filter is clogging it. So, let's get it.
Prime the fuel pump a couple times, new one. Might take a second, guys, because like I said, it's been acting up a little bit.
Okay. Yep. So it starts. You didn't do the injectors yet, right?
Yeah, I gotta do the injectors. If you guys put the camera up to the injectors, you'll hear a ticking noise. You guys can hear that coming from right here. Come over here, Matt, to this one. And look, you put it in right here, over there. Look, come in right here. You can see it's kind of leaking a little bit of fuel right there. So it could mean that this one's not getting full, like, sealed, and it could be causing a misfire and hard starts. So I've been trying to diagnose it, but obviously it's not the intake, guys, because the intake's off and it didn't even do none. It's still hard to start, but I don't think the timing or anything slipped, because like if the timing slipped, it wouldn't even be running like this. Doesn't it sound pretty good?
Yeah,
It sounds pretty healthy to me.
Definitely sounds good at idle. Just a little ticking noise from the injectors.
We'll give you guys a rev. You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Should I get it from the back or the front? Yeah. Let's get this exhaust. Fully straight pipe.
Down pipe.
Down pipe, no. Sounds good, dog. Proper. All right, so you're just trying to find some injectors. So are you looking for stock ones or like upgraded ones?
I mean, it doesn't really matter, but... Yes? But listen to me. DriftTweakers. Sipping your solar.
What the fuck?
Nah,
This is a smoothie, bro.
Yeah, listen,
I'm drinking. I'm healthy.
I don't
bro.
know, because I don't know if I can get fucking bigger injectors or what, because this fucking tune doesn't stop popping. Like, guys, if I keep this tune in, it just will go like forever, bro. So.
The ticking.
No, not the ticking. Like, if I have the tune in, Matt, like, it will literally fucking...
What will pop?
Like, burples will be on those on.
Oh, okay. The burbles. So, yeah.
I'm trying to go to Wildwood right now and go get some injectors and fix this thing, and we're gonna two-step for you guys.
All right, so
guys, we fucked the fucking GTI up, two-stepping, man, and we fucked the camshaft sensor up.
What I was gonna say is I got him an OBD2 sensor because he didn't have one, so he checked his codes, and he had two. You want to tell him what they were? One was just for having no cat, right? And then another one was just camshaft position sensor.
Yeah, I'm tweaking right now, guys. I don't know what to do.
But we got, well, he thought it was injectors, but at this point,
It's not even the injectors. It's the fucking camshaft.
But watch, we're gonna be back tonight.
Yeah, well, we should be back tonight, guys. DriftTweakers out here and shit. We pulling off the camshaft sensor right now.
Got the mini light.
That's holding the mini light because we don't got no fucking light. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to make it. We ain't got the money, man.
Just tell them how it is. It's a struggle.
Bro. It's like motherfuckers don't understand, man. All right, we're gonna loosen all this side. Show me. I'm gonna get him a little closer.
Yo.
Yeah, you gotta fit it in there first.
Yeah, see this your own, what is it, 10?
Yeah, it's a 10, man.
Probably got 3 10s. I saw 3 in there. Get it on there.
I gotta put it on there first, man.
Then you gotta put the splog in there.
This shit sucks, guys. You guys understand. Yo, we're doing your car so ass, bro.
But it's right there, so it's not that hard to do.
Oh, guys, it's not
I think you do have to unplug that sensor that goes into it to take it out.
I know. I gotta fucking see how I can get it. I think it's just like a...
Click one.
Alright, we gotta stay home. Oh my God, we might need to get a smaller fucking ratchet in here. This sucker's kind of too big.
Alright, yo, so we're backing out right now, the yard. It seems to be running good.
Kind of spun a little bit there, guys.
Yeah, that's all it was, a little tire. But we're gonna drive it and see how it is. Let them know how it's feeling.
About to say.
Will it have the burbles on? I thought you said they were always on though.
Oh, the tune's not in yet.
Oh, it's not? Okay. Stock ECU? Got you. It's cruising. Did it smell like that before? Are you just low? Is that why that came on?
Nah, the gas light came on.
Yeah, because you're low.
Bro, boy.
I thought it was something else.
Let
but
me-
that's gas light.
Pop it one more time, overlook everything, guys, and get back.
Probably put the other ECU on. All right, so he's checking it one more time, right? And then, but it's running good so far. you gonna just park it up for now?
Guys, I think, I don't know. I think we're all right, guys. I'm the car keep running.
So it's running good now. It started right up.
Guys.
No problem.
What I say?
That Lone Star
Sounds me. Sound. So guys,
should I put E-Brantley on it?
where's he at?
He's coming. Should I put him on it?
Nah, he's a cornball.
I'm sure you guys can figure out how to put a different ECU in these cars. It's really easy, but he's putting in the stage 2 ECU right now from Lone Star, the sauce, aka the sauce, and you'll see why. You'll see why. But yeah, I mean it's easy, but we're back, and that's the good part. We did this shit. Good shit, man.
But we don't have it, and we can't get it either.
You know anybody that has? We about to be back in the field. We out here at the events, all the bars and shit.
Yes, sir, man.
We about to get
So it's out. Camshaft position sensor.
got it.
Boom.
All right, guys.
What'd you do? Hold on. What'd you do?
I just pressed right
Press
here.
down on it?
Yeah,
Top?
this piece right here. Just press down.
Okay.
So
I thought it was the clip, but easy.
yeah, we guys.
So all you gotta do is plug the other one in, the new one.
Yeah, we got
It's right there.
We're gonna clean this one off just a little bit. This one is the old one. The new one is right there, as you can see. I don't know. It could be. Who knows? Looks OEM. Doesn't. I don't fucking know. Look. See the other one. Get that one real quick. Yep, that's the new one. We're gonna put this one in now. Need to get some pigtails.
So I was zoomed in, but it's the same thing.
You shine that light on this man?
Gotcha.
These guys right now, we're just cleaning all the residue off, all the fucking oil residue, you know what I mean? Trying not to get it in there. It's not really good for connection.
Yep.
Cause corrosion sucks, causes all kinds of shit you don't want to deal with. Well, we're about to put the new camshaft position
Right
sensor
here.
in.
There you go.
Should go exactly like this.
Yep. All you gotta do is line it up.
Just gonna line it up.
And then you just put her in there, and then. But I would put the sensor in first.
Oh, you're right.
I would definitely
You're definitely right.
do that first.
Good call, good call.
Make sure that bitch snaps. You'll hear it click. Easy with it. Make sure that Volkswagens, man. Germany. You know. Make shit hard on them. There we go.
Got it clipped in, guys. I'm gonna set her in right now.
And I'm not hating on German cars. We love German cars,
Yeah, he
guys.
had a
I've had
BMW.
2 BMWs, so don't start the comments if you hear me saying that. But, you know, and he has a GTI, so.
Yeah, we're about to put the bolts in right now, Matt. Can you give me a bolt right there?
Yep. 2 guys right here. The washer's on. There's one.
Okay. That would have sucked, guys.
Man, wouldn't be good, man. This one. So, hold on, I gotta get over here real quick.
Matt, push this cover back. Push that cover back.
Like
Push this back.
this. Yeah. So he's getting them bolts in there. Other one's right there. Then we're putting it in. Sensor's already in, then it'll just be in. Starting the second one. Just gonna hand tighten them, but you see, guys, I have to hold this back all the way. We didn't take it off. It's We just didn't know how to get it back on necessarily.
All right, guys. Now we don't need the light right now. We can tighten it a little more with the hand. Sorry, Matt. Just gotta get this back one. I'm gonna get the back one with the ratchet real quick, Matt. Got this. Got this one. All right, we're gonna tighten this one, guys, with the ratchet, and then we're gonna.
Oh, should be right there.
Nah. All right, guys, we're not gonna tighten it with the ratchet.
Okay, you guys. So the camshaft position sensor is in, and the clip is back on, so it's secured in there. But you guys saw the process of how it got put in.
All right, guys, we're
About to see what's up with it.
about to see what's up with you guys. Let's put the new camshaft sensor in. Put the new injectors. Well, no, same old injectors, but they're still good. They're not bad, obviously, or they might, but we'll see. But camshaft sensor, pressure regulator, fuel pressure regulators in. New fuel pumps fucking in for no reason probably, but it's right there. The old one is right there. And
They saying it, man.
coil
They
packs,
saying it.
spark plugs, man. We're gonna see how it goes, man.
All today. That's all in today. So all the work we did, helped them with the camshaft. But. Give her the beam. There you go. This is sounding good. Sounds right, bro. So where are we at, man?
Our shitty AutoZone, we're looking for the fucking injector clips, guys. Guess what? So tonight we're gonna be popping and shit, and we're gonna two-stab light once or twice, but we found the problem right here. So we're getting 2 more of these so we can fix the problem.
Oh yeah, nigga, we out here on
I mean, TJ's struggling right now because TJ don't know what he's looking for this shit. You know what I'm saying?
We're going to advance. Why? Because they didn't have it. Alright, y'all, so none of the auto stores had the clip we needed, so he's looking for the one he dropped in the engine bay. We see it, but we don't have one of those magnetic things, grabbers, so he's got a screwdriver in there. Trying to get it. Alright, so we've jacked it up on both sides. We're still not giving up on finding this clip because we knocked it down with the flathead. But he still wants to get it just so he can have it on for security purposes because he wants to do the 2-step and all that tonight and get rollers of the burbles. So we're going to see if we can find this. Yeah! We trying to find this motherfucker, man. Putting the fucking leak bone there. We tried the electrical one, now we're doing the gas one because that ain't do shit. He's out here thinking, bro, we're about to buzz and shit. Alright, hold the camera now.
Alright. Hold on. Nothing.